Since we know that the main objective of our business is going to be focused around building our email list, I want to briefly cover how to collect emails and profit from those emails. And then I'm going to show you kind of behind the scenes in my own email autoresponder, kind of how a sequence that I use to generate profits on autopilot. Okay. The main objective of your blog is to create content that addresses a problem and spreading it all across the internet. Now, you don't have to just use your blog. You can use YouTube, Pinterest, other social media, short form video content like TikTok, Instagram Reels. Understanding that the way that you can get in front of your audience is by creating as much content as possible. Once you understand that, then you'll understand how important it is to be consistent in creating your content for your blog, multiple blog posts per week, going after specific keywords. The more content you create, the more reach you'll have on the internet. The best way to collect emails and profit from your email list is to offer a content upgrade. This is also a fancy way of saying lead magnet. A lead magnet, like I said in previous videos, it's just it's value in exchange for their email. A lot of people don't just want to give their email up. When you give them something as like a thank you, you can give them a PDF, a mini course, a checklist. You'll want to create these things so that it gives people more information so that they can follow up on their own time, okay? It'll sit on their phone, it'll sit in their email inbox, and whenever they get a chance to go through it, it just offers people that little boost of credibility and authority from your blog. A lot of times you can get from good affiliate partners, they will have these documents, the PDFs, the mini course, the checklist, things that you can give, and they'll give it to you for free so that you can provide that value to your leads. Subsequently, the content upgrade proposes the solution in the form of the product that you're promoting, okay? So a lot of times in these, and that's where it really benefits you to create your own content upgrade, right? Your own lead magnet, put your own touch on it, your own story on it, and you, within that lead magnet, you propose the product that you're affiliated with as the solution to their problem. What this will do on your landing page or your blog is it will provide you with an increase in conversions of getting people onto your email list, right? People do like free things, and if you're offering them free value, they're more likely to take it than to not take it. And once they're on your email list, all you have to do is provide follow-up emails reaffirming the decision why they should buy that particular product that you're promoting. You can do that with social proof emails, testimonials, case studies, maybe your own personal story as to how the product helped you solve a particular problem. Those are all things that will persuade people to want to take action. Let's briefly go into my active campaign, and I will show you the dashboard, and I'll also show you kind of what an email automation actually looks like. This is the dashboard of my active campaign. And as you guys can see, so they have a menu bar on the left-hand side. If you guys have never been into Active Campaign, I'm just going to give you kind of a very general overview of their dashboard, and then I'm going to show you what an automation looks like. So you have here, these are the contacts that these are my leads that have come in, have opted into my. I've given them some type of lead magnet, and they've given me their email address, which basically means they've given me permission to email them. They have every opportunity if they want to unsubscribe. And you guys can see there's on the right-hand side is the actual activity that's happening on all of my email lists. So there are click-throughs and subscriptions. And if we were to continue loading and going down the right, you can see a couple people unsubscribed a couple days ago. This is completely normal. When you're starting to build your email list, you'll have some days where you'll get, 100 emails, and then some days you'll lose 5 email subscribers, especially after you send out an email. Somebody just decides, I no longer want to be on this email list. And that is perfectly okay, right? You would rather have the people who are interested in your products you want those people to get emails from you who want the emails. All right. You don't want the people who don't want the emails, right? Clicking, hitting the flagging your emails, saying it's spam, this, that, and the other. You don't want those people on your email list because it's going to hurt your email reputation. And we'll get into email reputation later on in this course. But I just wanted to really briefly show you that there's automations here, which is, when people opt in to my lists, they automatically go into an email automation. I don't have to do anything or touch anything. It's set up once. And then once people enter into the automation, the emails fire off with this software. And then you can see here are all the campaigns, and a campaign is just a one-off email that you can send once, twice, 3 times a week, however often you want to your list. These are just the one-offs. These are ones that you actually write and send out as a campaign. So let's check out an automation. So this is what a simple email automation comes to you as. And if you guys are interested in ActiveCampaign is signing up to use this email autoresponder, I'll leave a link down below, and I'll also leave a link to this particular, I can clone this automation, and I'll leave a link to that as well so you guys can have this example in your back office of ActiveCampaign. But as you can see, when somebody enters their email address in and their name, and they hit, yes, I want the free PDF, it automatically triggers in ActiveCampaign, and it adds that particular person to a list, the designated list that you set them to go into. Okay. So the trigger fires, they get added to a list, they get tagged, maybe from a different source. Maybe you could tag them as a lead through your blog, or you can tag them as a lead through your Facebook group, or you can tag them as a lead through your TikTok profile or your Instagram, right? You can tag these particular people so you can track where the traffic actually came from. Then you could have here notify, if you want to be notified when you actually get a lead, so you can personally reach out to them if you want. You can set that action in here. Then it's going to send them an email called story intro. And you should always lead off your emails by saying, by telling your story, because building a relationship, people need to know who is actually sending emails. Like, put a picture in your email, let them know what you do, where you're from, and all of these things, because it builds relatability. Then 3 hours later, it fires off another email that says solves problems and introduces offer. What that email is going to do is basically introduce how that particular affiliate product that you're partnered with, how this is going to help them solve a particular problem, and you're going to introduce the offer to them. The next email will be more of an education, a deeper education level. The next email after that would be to show others successes with the product. So social proof. A lot of times you can get social proof from the affiliate company's social media profiles, right? Instagram, or if they have a Facebook group or wherever, you can just take screenshots, or if they have a robust affiliate program, they might already have social proof for you to use inside of your email campaigns. And social proof is very powerful, right? People want to make sure that before they actually spend money on something, that other people are getting the desired results. And next, it says send emails, bonus email. So what you can do as an affiliate is you can offer bonuses for people actually purchasing particular products. And those bonuses could be additional resources, more ebooks, more mini courses, your own, maybe you want to provide somebody with a 30-minute Zoom call, right? To help support their purchase decision, right? To help them maybe push them along towards whatever their goal is or whatever problem they're trying to solve. So these are all different things in emails that you can do to provide people to kind of nudge them to the affiliate partner that you're with, and nudge them to their sales page so that they'll actually convert. Now, as you can see, this automation starts to get deeper and deeper, because now it says, hey, has this contact matched any of the following conditions? Has opened a campaign. So if they haven't opened any of your emails, then it says, yes, they've opened an email. Then you can start sending them scarcity emails saying, hey, this opportunity, my bonus isn't going to last forever. If you take action on this right now, my bonus will apply, but it's not going to be around a day from now, 3 days from now, 7 days from now. So when you inject some urgency and scarcity into your emails, it might get people more likely to actually take action than to sit on the sidelines. But if somebody has not opened an email at all, right? You can do a time scarcity, but then if it goes one more day and they don't open an email, right? It'll remove the lead from your list. It'll unsubscribe them from it'll remove their tag. It'll unsubscribe them from the list, and it will wipe them from the list. They're gone. They're off your list because obviously they opted in. Maybe they did grab the free lead magnet, but now they're not opening any of your emails, and that hurts your email credibility as well. You don't want people to not open your emails. You want as many people to open your emails. That's how your email provider like ActiveCampaign knows that your audience is engaging with your content through your email content. All right. And then it'll end the automation. And then here you can see on the yes side, it'll send them, hey, this is only the beginning, and then if they actually purchase the particular product, you can then send them to a buyer's list, which is something that I highly recommend doing. It's a little more in-depth of email marketing, but you'll then take that buyer and you'll place them onto a buyer's list, because once you have a solid foundation of a buyer's list, then you can send them relevant products just like the one that they purchased. And they're more likely, since they're hot traffic and they already bought a product through you, that they'll probably buy more products through you. So once you build up that list, it then becomes a lot more automated, where you can now just send emails knowing that a good percentage of those people will actually purchase the products that you're recommending. So that's going to be it for how to collect emails and profit. In the next video, I'm going to be talking about generating targeted traffic and building a community, why those things are extremely vital as a basic of affiliate marketing. We'll see you guys on the next video.